has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southwestern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, southern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Romancoke, or 10 miles east of South River, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Easton, Talbot, Denton, Ridgely, Trapp, St. Michael's, Preston, Queen Anne, Tanyard, Harmony, Skipton, Copperville, Matthews, Choptank, Blind Hills, Hamilton, Griffin, Windy Hill, Cordova, and Hillsborough. People attending COVID-19 drive-through testing should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, until 2:30 p.m. At 12:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Deal, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Hail may damage your vessel. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Miles River, North Beach, Herring Bay, Knapp's Narrows Bridge, Tillman Island, Black Linnet Point, Poplar Island, Chesapeake Beach, Shadyside, and Deal. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. A special marine warning remains in effect until... The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, south central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 1:45 p.m. At 1 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bloomsbury to near Freaks to Marshallton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Westchester, Somerville, Bensalem, Bridgewater, Ewing, Norristown, Chester, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, Middlesex, East Norton, Princeton, Yadden, Westtown, Bound Brook, Manville, and Percy. People attending COVID-19 drive-through testing should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 8 and 27. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 68 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 7 and 43. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 6 and 10. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. Pennsylvania Turnpike between exits 320 and 353. Northeast extension between exits A20 and A31. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between Here is the official